Hello, and Tashi Delek. My name is Uzra Zeya, and I'm the U.S. Under Secretary of State for Civilian Security, Democracy, and Human Rights. I'm honored that Secretary Blinken has designated me to serve as the United States Special Coordinator for Tibetan Issues. The United States is committed to promoting respect for the human rights of Tibetans and helping to preserve their distinct historical, linguistic, cultural, and religious heritage. Direct dialogue without preconditions between the government of the People's Republic of China and His Holiness the Dalai Lama or his representatives is essential to resolve differences and achieve meaningful autonomy for Tibetans. We also seek to increase access for U.S. diplomats and other officials, journalists, and tourists to the Tibetan Autonomous Region and other Tibetan areas, reciprocal to the access PRC officials and other Chinese nationals enjoy in the United States. The PRC must also cease its harassment, intimidation, and surveillance of Tibetan diaspora communities in the United States and elsewhere. Such acts, known as transnational repression, undermine our collective security. The United States seeks to support protection of the environment and water resources of the Tibetan Plateau, which provides water shared by billions of people across Asia. Finally, we're proud to be providing humanitarian assistance to Tibetan refugees, including life-saving assistance and protection services to the most vulnerable, and to supporting opportunities to enhance their livelihoods. As Special Coordinator, I look forward to taking on these challenges and working closely with Tibetans and other partners to advance our shared goals. Thank you.